Preparation for England. I have divided this chapter in four parts that will become easy to understand. In the first part, we have seen M.K. Gandhi's matriculation in 1887. He passed matriculation and then he studied. He decided to go Shamal Das College, but it was difficult for him and he returned back home. And then Gandhiji's father's close friend, Mauji Dave, he was a learned Brahman and advisor of his family. He guided to Mr. Gandhi's brother and mother for sending Gandhiji for taking barrister degree to England. And now in the third part, page number 128, we are studying here how Gandhiji's brother decided to next journey and how Gandhiji prepare himself for going England. While in discussion with Mr. Dave, his brother told that, page number 128, father never liked it. He had you in mind. His father always thinking about Mr. Gandhi and his future. And he said that Vaishnava should have nothing to do with dissection of dead bodies. Father intended you for the bar. According to his brother, his means Gandhiji's brother, that Gandhiji's father never liked medical profession because they were Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas should not dealing with the dissection dead bodies, etc. So Gandhiji's father's intention was Gandhiji may become a lawyer. His brother told to Madhav Dave. Joshiji chimed in. Joshiji means Madhav Dave. Joshiji interrupted Gandhiji's brother and said that I am not opposed to the medical profession as was Gandhiji. Our Shastras are not against it. But a medical degree will not make a diwan of you. I want you to be diwan. This is very important information. Madhav Dave wants that M.K. Gandhi may become a diwan. If that will be possible, that will become better than the medical profession. To becoming diwan is very important according to Joshi. According to Joshiji means Madhav Dave. Because why? Because only in that way could you take under your protecting care your large family. This was very important thought of Mr. Madhav Dave. That Gandhiji's family was a very big family. And the times are fast changing, getting harder every day. and it is the wisest thing, therefore, to become a barrister. According to Madhav Dave, the time was changing fastly, and it was very harder than the every day, and it was the real positive thing to become a barrister for the future economical condition, because Gandhiji's family was a very large family, very big family. And so, turning to my brother, he said, and lastly, he warned to my mother and brother, that now I must leave. Pray ponder over what I have said. To pray ponder over means to think. To pray ponder over means to think. To think over my proposal. Here, Mr. Dave lastly told to Gandhi's mother and brother that he was leaving, and think over the proposal of going to England for the next study. When he will came next, that he said, when I come next, I shall expect to hear of preparations for England. Be sure to let me know if I can assist in any way. So this is very important thing to think over this proposal. And when I will come, when I means when Mr. Dave will come nextly, at that time they will be prepared very promptly, very immediately, and that is his assurance. Joshiji went away. Joshiji means Madhav Dave. It is very important. Who was Joshiji? Madhav Dave. Madhav Dave, who was Madhav Dave? Madhav Dave was a learned Brahman, and who was in favor of Gandhiji's father, and so he was an advisor of Gandhiji's family. My mother was sorely perplexed. She did not like the idea of parting with me. As a mother, I think here every mother did not like the idea of parting her child. Like the same way, Gandhiji's mother was disturbed because Gandhiji was going for the next study to England, and this was very confusing or very puzzling idea for his mother. My mother had another idea. He said to me, my brother had another idea. He said to me, we have a certain claim on the Porbandar state. Gandhiji's brother suggested that Mr. Lele is the administrator of Porbandar state. Mr. Lele is highly thinking about Gandhiji's family, and his uncle is in his good books. Mr. Lele was the administrator of the Porbandar state, and Gandhiji's uncle was in favor. And so Gandhiji's brother suggested Mr. Gandhi to visit Mr. Lele and uncle. Firstly, he suggested for visiting to Gandhiji's uncle firstly, then it is very important, because it is just possible that he might recommend you for some state help for your education in England. According to Gandhiji's brother, Gandhiji may visit to uncle, and then according to the recommendation he may visit to Mr. Lele. That will become very easy for the next education in England. So, visiting Mr. Lele and uncle, this was the next program of Mr. Gandhi. Then, I liked all these and got ready to start off for Porbandar. Now, Gandhiji decided next day to visit his uncle and then Mr. Lele into Porbandar. Next para. I arrived at last, did obeisance to my uncle. Lastly, Gandhiji arrived at Porbandar to his uncle's house and he obeyed politely to his uncle and told him about going next education for England. He thought it over. He means Gandhiji's uncle thought over the proposal of Gandhiji's education and said this. He said that I am not sure whether it is possible for one to stay in England without prejudice to one's own religion. This is very important thing that Gandhiji's uncle was not sure and he thought that it was not possible to stay in England for Gandhi because Gandhiji was Vaishnava belongs to Vaishnava's religion. From all I have heard, he said that some people have told him that, and there are some doubts. I have my doubts. I means Mr. Gandhi's uncle. Uncle have some doubts. When I meet these big barristers, when Gandhiji's uncle met some barristers, he had bad experience. I see no difference between their life and that of Europeans. They know no scruples regarding food. This is very important. I think here view of Gandhiji's uncle. That Gandhiji's uncle have seen no difference between their life of Europeans and Englishmen. There is no difference between them because Europeans and Englishmen are the same according to uncle. Because a feeling bad impression that cigars smoking is, I think here, habit of Englishmen also, and dressing, shamelessly dressing, these two things were unfavorable to Miss Gandhiji's uncle, and so she was against for going to England. All that would not be in keeping with our family tradition. Smoking and dressing and all this behavior was completely opposite of Indian family tradition. I am shortly going on a pilgrimage, have not many years to live. Shortly, for some time, means Gandhiji's uncle lived there, and it was very bad experience for him. How dare I give you permission to go to England? So behind these things and this because of these bad experiences or atmosphere, He said that he will not give him permission to go to England. I will not stand your way, but opposite thing is very important. He thought that he will not disturb Gandhiji's decision because it was already this decision going to England, the particular decision was taken by Gandhiji's brother and mother, and so it's really nothing to him, and so it was not proper right to disturb his decision or to reject his decision. It is your mother's permission which really matters. If she permits you, then Godspeed. Tell her I will not interfere. You will go with my blessing. So Gandhi's uncle, though there was hesitation in his mind, permitted Gandhiji for going next education to London, that he will not interfere and it was not his right to disturb or to reject him. Next para. I could expect nothing more from you, said I. Gandhiji thought that I shall now try to win mother over. But would you not recommend me to Mr. Lele? Gandhiji thought that he could not expect nothing more from his uncle, but he should only recommend to Mr. Lele. How can I do that? Said he. How means his uncle said that Mr. Lele is a good man and you ask for an appointment telling him how you are connected. He will certainly give you one and may help you. Gandhiji's uncle rejected to give Gandhiji any written note of recommendation, but he told that Mr. Lele is a good man and Gandhiji should take an appointment immediately and she should tell to Mr. Lele how Gandhiji was connected with his uncle and he may tell the reference of his uncle to Mr. Lele and he will take an appointment. He will certainly give you right advice. Next para. I cannot say why my uncle did not give me a note of recommendation. Gandhiji thought that why his uncle did not give him a written note of recommendation, because Gandhiji recognized that Gandhiji's uncle hesitated to cooperate directly in going to England. He hesitated, he rejected to cooperate Mr. Gandhi and he did not give any written note of recommendation because according to him, according to Gandhi's uncle, going to England for education, it was really an irreligious act. It is opposite of the religion. It is opposite of Indian tradition. So today we have seen Gandhiji's meeting with his uncle. In the next part, we are studying Gandhiji's meeting with Mr. Lele, who is the administrator of the Porbandar state. So now Gandhiji is going to visit to Mr. Lele. In the next part, we will see Mr. Lele's and Mr. Gandhi's meeting.